Hi guys. This is a quick video to show you how to fall on your instrument. The Smart Music assignment doesn't show the little curvy fall lines you can see right here, but I know that your paper music does. And I talked about a little bit about how to do a fall before school let out. So I'm just gonna go in score order. So we're gonna go flute, clarinet, alto sax, tenor sax, trumpet, and trombone, and baritone. Yours is just like the trumpet, or similar to the trumpet. Therefore, let's get started. How do you fall on the flute? So if you don't play the flute and you want to find your instrument, you're just gonna have to skip through the video to find what your instrument is. On the flute, starting here, so section J, you could, when you submit section J on Smart Music, you could just go. You could do that. But how do you fall on the flute? Well, falling means you just have to go down the scale. So we're just gonna go. And you're just gonna go E, which is thumb, 1, 2, 1, 2, pinky. And then you're gonna go C. And then you're gonna drop your fingers. Basically like that. Okay. If you have any questions, send me a message so that I can help you with that. So that's how you fall on the flute. Clarinets. All right. I need to change the music to show clarinet in B. And the way that this is, okay. Clarinet, so our note is F sharp. The way we play F sharp is we got thumb plus the register key, 1, 2, 3, and the middle finger. It's a lot like B natural. It's like B natural, but with the register key. Okay, I'm gonna lower this so that you can see more of the clarinet. All right, now how do we fall on the clarinet? Same way that we fall on all of these keyed instruments, woodwinds in general. So we're just gonna start on the F sharp, and then we're gonna go down the scale. What scale? Whatever scale, really. And since this is on the upper part of the register, I get the feeling that you don't wanna go too far, especially to the point where you let this thumb part go. So we're just gonna try and get down to the B natural. And all we're gonna do is we're just gonna go drop our fingers. So 1, 3, right pinky, left pinky. Basically like that. Now, when it's really fast, now that is how you fall on the clarinet. You just gotta go really fast. Da, 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 da. And then 3 times in a row. Oops. Now it's gonna make squeaking sounds and have a hard time if you don't make sure that your fingers seal the holes when they drop down. You just gotta practice it. Make sure your fingers land where they ought to. All right. Saxophones. How do we fall on the saxophone? Alto sax first. Let me change the music to alto sax. Da, 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 da. All right. Ooh, lucky. We got each C sharp. How do you play C sharp? Like this. There are no fingers down. I'm going to lower this stand so that you can see more of the saxophone. Okay. I'm going to lower it a little more. That's C sharp. How do we fall on the saxophone? Well, you just go down the scale. What scale? Any scale. Just put your fingers down. Luckily, since it's C sharp, we're just gonna go starting at the top, up, 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 up. all the way down. Now, if you want to hit the C sharp way down there, you could. Just drop them. And that's how you fall on the alto sax in James Bond. Now, I did not pull out my tenor because it's huge and I don't have a lot of space to put my instruments here. Because I don't have the wall hangers, which I got in the classroom. So I'm just going to look at the tenor sax part, but I'm going to show you how to play the falls on the tenor sax on the alto because it's the same thing. So we got our note F sharp. Okay? The high F sharp. So we got our thumb. And we're also just going to play a bunch of fingers and smash them down. Okay? Now, unfortunately, the easiest way to do falls is just to go as far down as this way to put all your fingers down. But there's not a lot left to go on the tenor. But that's fine. No one's going to notice how tiny and short your fall is. Basically. Just drop this right hand here. And that's how you do the falls on the tenor part. Okay, moving on. I'm just going to put this down. Okay. Trumpet. Let's move over to the trumpet part. Now I'm going to mention, oops, my bad. Baritone should also follow the trumpet part because it works the same way on trumpet than it does on baritone. I don't have a baritone, obviously. So we got our note here is F sharp, trumpets. That's just your middle finger. Okay, you go from G down to F sharp. Now, falling on a brass instrument is not a fingers thing like it is with the woodwinds. With brass, it's a lip thing. We go, and you just kind of drop the pitch. Okay? You could try and finger down. But the hard part is making sure that you hit the F sharp every time you start over. Okay? It's easier just to do the lip thing. It's obviously a lot easier to do falls when the note is higher itself. But yeah. All right. So lip thing, or you could do the finger thing, but the lip thing is cleaner, even though it's shorter. Okay, let's jump over to the baritone super quick. See what note you've got going on here. Now you've got E, which is sorry, that's F. Okay. This is not what E sounds like because this is a B flat instrument. Your C equals so trumpet C equals B flat. Whatever. It's gonna look like this, baritone. Okay, and then you're also just gonna go lip thing. Okay, just like the trumpet. All right, and lastly, the trombone, which your instrument is made to do this. As far as I think the trombone part looks just like the baritone part we do from E natural. Yep, E natural. Now E natural is second position. There's E. And all we do is just drop the slide. going to take a lot of air. Okay, it takes air to do this. And making sure that you land the E when you come back up. You can do it slowly and then speed it up until you can make sure that you can hit the E every time you come back. All right, so that is how you fall on all of the wind instruments for band. I hope this video was entertaining. You can fall from whatever note you want, but whenever you see music, then it's got the little curvy line that just goes down. It doesn't connect to anything. That is a fall. Sometimes it's a dash, a straight line that just goes down the note. And sometimes it's a curvy trill looking line that goes down the note. Otherwise, it falls off the note. It's indicating that your pitch is going down. All right, so I hope this video was fun, and I know it took me a minute to set everything up so that I could swap instruments quickly. Okay, good luck on falling on your instrument.